Hello everyone and welcome. So we're going to take a drive through, I think, one of my most favourite villages in Nottinghamshire. It's very small, it's called Oxton, and I've got many fond memories of this place, being a kid. So yeah, we'll take a nice little drive through. It's got two very popular pubs in Oxton. And it's a proper traditional country village. Beautiful, look, got snowdrops out, daffodils are out. Spring is definitely in the air, no doubt about it. And you can do an absolutely beautiful walk from here to a place with absolutely amazing views. There we go, guys, so now we're in the village of Oxton. So we have a shop there. It's not currently open by the looks of it. Oh, it is open. We have a pub here called the Old Green Dragon, which is a very, very popular pub. As you can see, looks like they're doing some cleaning work around here. And as you can tell, you can do from here. There's a really nice walk that you can do up that lane there. So let's continue down the main road here. So on the right here you've got the community centre, and you can do some walks from here. So it's looks like there's a lot of cars in the car park. Yeah, it's very busy today. And you have the beautiful church here on the left. So I have done a walk around this village, 100% worth checking out. You'll find it on YouTube, on my other channel, Remonderly Travel. And like I say, it is one of my favourite villages, for sure. And as usual, got plenty of walkers. So this is the other pub here I was telling you about, the Old Bridge Inn, which is also very popular. So what we're going to do, folks, we're going to leave because I want to go through the ford. There's a ford here in the village. So what we're going to do is we're just going to drive along this lane as if it was going towards Southwell. And then we should be making a turn. and then in a second we'll be making another turn back into the village. Yeah, part farm on the right and a public footpath that you can use. And we are going along this lane here. And this man, I don't know what he's doing. Oh, he's just been a lorry driver. And back into the village we go. And there's Mr. Pheasant. Where are you going, mate? Where are you going? That's it, you go that way. Now this ford here, this has been flooded before down here, and some of the homes got flooded not so long back. Not the problem today though. Although some of the stones have, looks like they've come away a little bit there. So yeah, that's all there is to it, folks, really. It's only a small village, but I just thought you would enjoy the drive. The weather's beautiful, so the daffodils are coming out. It's so busy, there's cars everywhere today. Cars everywhere. And then once again, past the church of St. Peter and St. Paul. So that brings us to the end of this upload. It was only a short one. I say Oxton is a beautiful village. Place that I do love to come for walks. Please check out the other channel, Remonderly Travel, and from there you'll probably see a walk that I have done around this beautiful village of Oxton.